Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I will show you how I made these beautiful angelic coasters and trays. This style is mostly known as angel wings on social media. For this project, I decided to take a 4-in-1 coaster mold and pour colors alternatively. The colors that I've used here are white, charoite purple, and a cream. I've used a large chunk glitter for the center. I've used a fast cure resin for this project. I mixed an ample amount of large glitter chunk into my resin and made a sort of thick paste out of it. And I mixed the white, purple, and cream and kept them separately for about 5 minutes before I started pouring them. I made the borders with the alternative colors and I placed my glitter in the center. After waiting for another 5 minutes, I poured the clear resin into the mold. I poured it in a manner so that it floods over the previous color. I waited another 2 to 3 minutes before I started pouring the charoite purple. The colors that I'm alternating between are white and cream. I wanted to increase the center with a little bit more sparkle, hence I added more glitter and resin. I then continued with pouring a very little amount of clear resin into the mold once again. With my spatula, I carefully drizzled the clear resin over the colored parts. This helped me create the layers or the 3D effect towards the edge of the coasters. Once I had drizzled enough clear resin on all the colored parts, I moved ahead and poured white and cream alternatively again. So the coasters where I had poured the cream first, now I would pour the white on top of them, and the coasters where I had poured white first will be the ones which will get a cream line at the edges this time. It's not necessary that you have to follow the same pattern. You can keep them exactly the same and not do the alternatives, and you can change your color combinations as per your desire. This is a process that you can continue till the time you're satisfied with the number of layers you've created. Also, it's an abstract design, so it really doesn't matter how many lines you're creating. As long as the design looks beautiful to you and makes sense to you, go ahead and be creative and pour your colors. Once again, after drizzling enough clear resin over the colored parts, I am making my lines with the Charoite purple. A little bit more clear resin in the center will help push the colors. Over time, you will see that the colors will start moving a little bit, but because this is fast cure resin, they will not move completely towards the center. After some time, you will see that the glitters might have sunk to the bottom, and the color movement has created beautiful patterns. I unmolded these coasters after complete cure and did a top coat before I sent them to their owner. I hope you enjoyed this process. Thank you.